I am now currently at work. Oh, my boss just got here. I gotta go. Do my wig look flat though? I feel like it's a little high right there. Listen, I'm still learning, but I gotta go. My nose ring always looks like a booger sitting in my nose. I'm just escaping work. I'm not wearing makeup this week because, like, as you guys can see, I've had a little bit of a breakout. So I'm trying to give my skin a chance to heal. Hold on. I really don't like vlogging in public and stuff. So, I just got quiet. But anyway, so today is Tuesday. It's April 1st. It's an active rest day, which means that I'm going to the park and I'm walking the track. And I will be bringing you motherfuckers along with me. Today is April 1st and it is lock-in season. The summer is right around the corner. The spring and the summer make me a little anxious, like got some body insecurities. I be liking to cover up. Like, I'm a fall and winter girly, even though winter is not my favorite season, but I got on the jacket, I got on a long sleeve shirt, the layers, and when it's warm you got to come out them layers, but it's all right because I've been working on the body. Okay, so let me give y'all an update, because first of all, I've been giving TikTok the update. If y'all don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me over there. I feel like TikTok, I can give more instant updates as opposed to creating a whole video format over the course of a couple of days and editing and you get what I'm saying? On TikTok, you're going to get it like that. I'm interested in body recomp, right? I'm doing keto, low carb. Majority of my life, I've been over 200 pounds. 2 weeks ago, I finally broke into Wonderland, right? It's weird because it's I can see other people that weigh the same or even more and their bodies are different, but because I'm 5'1", I'm like a meatball and I don't like it. I'm not so much blessed in the titty part. I'm not flat chested, nobody in the family is, but I do have hips, I do have thighs, and I am working on them glutes. I'm flat footed. I feel like that's not working to my advantage, but since I'm doing keto low carb, I'm doing mainly protein. And if you don't know what recomp is basically when you burn the fat, when you shed the fat and build muscle at the same time. Most people do one or the other. They be trying to lose weight or lose body fat, or they're trying to build muscle, or some people you know what I mean? Listen, I'm impatient. I need to get this done now. So I have a lot of muscle underneath all of this. I've always been a strong girl, but the keto's supposed to eat it up. So anyway, with that being said, right, I had made it to 199.4, and then I ate something, and then I went up to 205 and I was distraught, and then I got back to the 2, and now I just stepped in the scale this morning and I'm 198.4. So now this is a good threshold, because my goal for the month of March, unfortunately, I was trying to get to 190, but I had been on, I went out to eat. I went on a date, some other stuff. You be eating good when you go on these dates. I wasn't really thinking about the diet at the time. The person's a foodie. They was try this, the alcohol drinks. And before I knew it, I had put a couple of pounds on, and I knew it was water weight, so it wasn't going to stay. But now we've crossed that threshold and we've maintained this for a little bit. So now the next goal is to hit 190. Every month I'm going to try to hit a 10-pound deficit. So now this is the beginning of April. I know for a fact that I could hit 190 this month. I can probably go a little bit beyond. I might even be cocky enough to say I might hit the 187. Either which way, and this is something that's real to me. I didn't know this before I started losing weight. I am so much more insecure now than I was before I started to lose it. I guess because I wasn't thinking of myself in the running, in the contending, but now I have all of these thoughts and things that really overtake me and that really make me question myself. Damn, okay, for me, for example, okay, I've lost almost 100 pounds. Let's keep it honest, from my heaviest point to now, right? But to me, when I look in the mirror, I still look the same. Obviously I've lost weight. Obviously all of my clothes are too big as well. That's both a blessing and a curse, okay? Because it's period, you're doing your thing. But I feel like every month I'm buying clothes and I don't really know what size I wear anymore. I literally need to go into a store, see that I've lost the weight. Like, okay, for example, I wear a waist trainer every day. I got one on right now. I can see my shape and the frame of my silhouette and it looks more slender, but it's just when I have no clothes on and I look in the mirror and I'm like, everything is still where it was. Like, when is the, like, I know the weight loss is happening, but like, when am I gonna see it? And now it's starting to make me question, like, do I have a form of body dysmorphia? Because in a way, I always felt that way. Because like, when I look in my mirror in my room, I look one way. I brought a second mirror that I put in the corner by the window. That mirror gives me a different vantage point. I look a different way. If I go into the mall and I walk into Marshall's and I look in that, so it's like different mirrors make me look different ways, or maybe just my perception of myself is different. But like, child, it's a headache. So I'm about to go pick my daughter up. Her school is having a soccer game at one of the fields in the town. And while she's there, I'm going to go to the park and I'm going to walk the track. Oh my gosh, not 304. And then I want to make some nail content because these are my press-ons for the month of March. But it's not March no more. It's so hard when it comes to crystals. Like, you see that one came off and that one came off. All of these are intact. This one just came off like Saturday. They've been on for like 2 fucking weeks. Aren't they cute? I'm ready to make some new ones and I'm gonna record the video for y'all. Okay, so we're here on the walk. It's a little hood over here. That's okay. Getting these motherfucking steps in. Is that a condom? I don't like that sway. In the park? Oh no. Have some couth. Have some couth about yourself. I'm in the park. Leg day kills me on Mondays and Fridays. And so we're just keeping it moving. Beautiful landscape. It's a little chilly, but we're getting it done. No excuses. It's April. It's time to lock in. It's lock-in season. You know, a little cold air ain't gonna stop me from getting this better body by the summertime. It ain't gonna be perfect, but it's going to be better than where it's at right now. And we're not looking for perfection. We're just looking to get better. First of all, do you guys see this view of this? First, I didn't even know there was a body of water in this park, like at all. And just the scenery right now, I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but the sun is shining, the wind is blowing. Like, oh my God. Okay, so check this out. Like, ChatGPT is like my best friend, right? Like, ChatGPT know me down, right? So tell me why I eat the same thing every day. Typically, I don't eat dinner. I eat breakfast. I'll have a mid-morning, early afternoon snack, and then I'll eat lunch, and then that's it. Because, you know, like, we're on a calorie deficit. So tell me why I had ChatGPT calculate my macros today, and tell me why my calories for the day were only 670 calories. I have been severely under eating. I knew, like, realistically speaking, right? Like, listen, don't do as I say. Or what is that the thing? Don't, how does the saying go? I don't know. I can't think of it right now. But like, not as I say, wait, do as I say, not as I do. Yeah, I think that's it. That's the one I was looking for. Do as I say, not as I do. So yeah, my calories for all of today, 670. I knew that I wasn't eating the full amount of calories because obviously I'm skipping a meal at nighttime. But I didn't know it was that low. I thought it was like at least like 1,100. I eat 3 boiled eggs. That's 210 calories. I eat 3 turkey sausage links. I think that's about somewhere between 110 and 135 calories, right? That's breakfast. That's a lot of protein right there. That's like 28 grams of protein, right? And I have like a nice glass of water. Cool. I go to work between 11:30 and 1:30. I eat a cup of yogurt, the Oikos triple zero, 15 grams of protein, 7 carbs. Cool. Then lunchtime for me at my job is about 3 o'clock. I'll eat a protein and a vegetable or just a protein by itself. That's it. That's why I kind of say keto low carb, because I know keto is more about high fat, but like fat and calories, like we're trying to minimize. I'm trying to burn the fat off of my body. You know, I don't want to add more fat to it. I'm trying to burn the fat up that's already on it. So in my mind, you know, but listen, let me keep it real. All of this protein got me backed up. I realized like I'm only going maybe once or twice a week. So I need to get some more fiber in my diet. And I could eat fruit. I love fruit. But fruit carbs count too. Like, you know, so I'm feeling like I'm gonna only eat the fruit when it's that time of the month. Because like my body needs the extra nutrients. It's a lot going on. Like, you know, I'll have one fruit. I'll replace the yogurt with a fruit, or maybe I'll have the fruit after something. I don't know. But like that's the only time I'm gonna eat it because my body still needs those minerals. So with that being said, I have all of these extra fucking calories. I don't want my body to go into starvation mode. My weight loss has not plateaued, but like I'm in semi-starvation mode. So now I just started last week. It's brand new. I started eating dinner, like a little light protein meal before I go to the gym to work out, just to like, since I'm not eating carbs that would like fuel, that would give me the energy for that, I'm replacing the carb with the protein. So yeah, your girl I've been eating like this for months. Maybe that's why I lost the weight so quickly. I don't know. But either which way, I knew keto low carb, it works fast. With that being said, and I just did this walk, now I'm a little hungry, but I have like such a craving for like an empanada or like a beef patty. It's crazy. Speaking of empanada, I booked a trip this weekend in the middle of the night spontaneously to Puerto Rico for 2 days. For my daughter, she's graduating 8th grade. Is this her coming across the street? No. My daughter is graduating 8th grade, and then like literally a few days after school is over is her birthday. So it's both a graduation and a birthday gift. I usually try to take her on like a little birthday trip, but it's usually somewhere local. Maybe we might go away to another state to like a little amusement park or something for a weekend or whatever. But like this time, we're going to PR, from the USA to the PR, like, you know? So that's in my mind. Maybe that's why your girl got a craving for empanadas. I've been looking at Golden Crust. And anyway, so now I'm just gonna, instead of giving into my cravings and getting some kind of fast food, I'm gonna go get the ingredients and I'm gonna make a keto empanada. I don't know how, but I'm gonna figure it out.